So in today's video, I am going to show you how you can use your cell phone as a webcam for free and do it wirelessly. How is it going to look, you're going to ask? It's going to look like this because I'm using my cell phone right now. So let's get into the video. Let's go. All right, so very first thing is this is compatible with Android, iPhone, Mac, or PC. We're going to use it for Android and PC here because that's the kind of stuff we run over here at Pew's Review. Comment below that iPhone's better and I'll disagree with you and we'll move on. What you're going to do first is go to your app store, whatever you're on, and you can type in IRIUN. Why am I not pronouncing it? Because I can't. I don't know what it's called. IRIUN? Tell me in the comments. I don't know how you're going to tell me, but let me know how you would pronounce it. Anyways, you would come here and you would download the app from here. Once you download the app, you're going to simply open it. Once you're open, as you can see, your camera is going to pop on. You're waiting for your PC to connect. You need to be on your Wi-Fi as well. Go ahead and set your Wi-Fi up, put it on if you don't have it on. If you haven't said, as you can see at the top, I am using the free version. There is a paid version. The only reason why I would get it is to get rid of the there is a watermark on here, but honestly, you can like hide that in your stream by just stretching out your screen on your canvas, on your OBS or Streamlabs. Just stretch it out with that because it's gonna pop up like right over here somewhere. You would just literally just drag your screen out, stretch it out just a little bit, or just, you know, make it to where it's out of this frame just a little bit and you don't have to worry about it and you don't have to pay for nothing. Once you do that, you're gonna come over here. You could do one or two things on your PC. You can go to back to this video and go to the description below. I'll make sure I link these down below, or you can come over here to their website yourself, and it's IRIUN.com, and you will download it to your PC. Again, we're on a Windows, so we're just going to download it and then we're going to run it as soon as it's done downloading like that. We're open file, and as you see, it's installing the app now. All right, and you will just accept it, signing your life away. You will install it, let it install, and then you will start the product. It says make sure all this is going good. You can set this up if you want to. I won't. We'll come back to our phone, and as you log, as you have your phone, there you go. I try to set my phone up on a little stand like this, and it just was not working for me. So that's why you see a box and my Bible and all that sitting there. But yeah, this is it right here. Now from here, you can come up here to your settings, your video format, automatic. We can set this thing all the way to 4K if we want to, and have 4K quality, which is what I think we were doing anyways. But yeah, look at this. I mean, this is pretty good, right? Look at, you can see good detail in my face and all that good stuff. Okay, so I'm going to show you from the screen without my other camera up how to add a camera. So what you want to do is first bring your Streamlabs OBS over here so you can see it. I am using Streamlabs OBS, so if you use something else, make sure you kind of follow along, but it's going to be the same general thing. Right here at sources, you're going to add a source. You'll come to video capture device. You're going to hit add source. Now I'm using phone cam. As you can see, it's already popped up. So I'm going to add source. You can name it if you want to name it something else. I just put phone cam for the video itself. And there you go. There you have it. So what I want to show you how to do now is I want to show you how to get this quality. Okay, this quality is not going to come out the box looking like this. So if you come over here to your phone cam, come over here to filter. I have one filter on. The only filter that I have on is my color correction. If I turn the color correction off, this is what I'm going to look like on the screen. It doesn't look too bad, but the problem is I'm a little bit, whiter than I should be. I should have some colors popping in and stuff like that. I just don't look that good. So these are the settings that I did on my computer. Now you can mess with it. You can try these and stuff. Just don't go too crazy with some of this stuff. Like if I go to saturation like this, it's gonna make me look crazy. It should make me look, I have it off. It's gonna make me look crazy, right? So we don't want saturation like that. We want to, keep it nice and mild. So we'll just do it there. I'll bring it up a couple more ticks and we'll leave it there. Okay. So That's the first thing I want to show you. The other thing I want to show you is the full screen capture. So what will happen is, and we can close out of this now. So right here, if you every now and again, you'll see the little watermark I was talking about come up in the top left-hand corner. There is one way you can take care of this, okay? You would have to crop. So what you would do to get rid of that watermark is you would come here, right click, go to filter, edit filter. You will come up here to add a filter, then come to crop, add. All right, so you know that the watermark shows up right around here. So all we need to do is crop it from the left a little bit. You know, I think that will actually keep it out, but you see what I'm doing, right? You just keep changing these numbers until you get a value where it's out enough and you don't have to worry about it. Then once you get the value, you just reconnect, recenter your camera however you want it to have whatever you want. So if I want to have all this in there still, I would just recenter it to do that. But I don't have a phone mount for that, so that's why it's like this. We're just kind of hanging it on my monitor, praying it doesn't fall. If this video helped you out, make sure you leave a like in below. And if you need any kind of other tips or tricks, make sure you comment what you're looking for. And watch anything over here that YouTube's recommends you watch next. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace and love.